Okay, so in this course, we're gonna learn the technologies to make websites from starting to end. And I'll teach you in this course how to make successful and profitable websites end to end. So what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Art of Code. Now this course is for people who doesn't know anything about coding. Yes, for the people who don't know anything about web development and who just want to start it and may not even know about programming. So the people who are already making websites and who are working on HTML, JavaScript and CSS, I want them also to watch this course. At starting, you may feel like you know these things, they are pretty basics, but after some time, I'll progress it slowly to advanced level. There you will get some best practices and common mistakes which people do very often. Some new tools which people are not using. Instead, they use the old technology. I'll point out such things and I'll take you further. In this course, I'll completely explain HTML and CSS. So surely join this course. You will be able to make any type of professional website. So I get so many questions like an element is not going to left but floating towards right. They are not able to make border of something. Sometimes people say element are not coming in a line. Sometimes you want element to be up and down but they are coming in a line. Sometimes you want 4 elements in a row but the 4th and 5th element are going down. This type of problems are faced many times. Well, the reason of this is only one, and that is you don't have the understanding of CSS. The understanding I am going to build up with this course. And I'll tell you all how you don't need to face this type of problems in life. So surely join this course and be with me. So let's quickly start this course. Firstly, we will discuss how a website works. What are the roles of JavaScript, HTML and CSS in a website? And after that, we will go further. And further, I'll explain you how to make a successful website. We'll do build up, we install ID and lots of stuff in this course. So just be there with me in this video. Alright guys, we will see now what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript and how website works. If you listen to me carefully, then after today you will not face any problem in understanding that how HTML, CSS and JavaScript helps in serving a website. Now if you came here and watching this course and you want to learn how to make websites, then you must have known that to make any website, HTML is super important. If you want to make website, then HTML is must. We can't work without it. But these two are also important. And what CSS and JavaScript do? CSS adds beauty and JavaScript adds brain. So our website becomes beauty with brain. Now you'll say, what the heck are you talking about, Rahul? Beauty, brain, are you high or what? So just hold your horses and I'll explain these things very soon. So look, JavaScript here is brain and this CSS is our beauty. And HTML is must, cause HTML is the body of our website and working is not possible without the body, right? After this comes beauty, like clothes, makeups, etc., which is our CSS. And JavaScript is brain, means what your website do. So if the JavaScript is the brain, and if your brain is nasty, then you can do pretty nasty things with this. That's why we don't need psychopaths in this field. But in reality, the truth is very dark. Well, if you still didn't get it, then no worries, we are going to see a very nice analogy here. As you can see, this car is fantastic and this car has a body. So when it was made, firstly it had a metallic body. Its body means the mix of the metals from which it is made and nothing else. As a first step, it has been made, its face has been made, its iron has been made, then the mirror of the car and other parts. Without thinking that how should be the design of wheels or the color of wheels, along with that design of headlights. About the size of headlight, how much round it should be, then how far it should be from the mirror. That all things come in the designing. Very firstly, it must be made by the parts of metal, and that is what HTML is, just the bare bones like a skeleton. After that, to add beauty, the color has been applied, so beauty comes on number 2, which includes color, designs, the cuts which are made, and along with that, the design made in the wheel, and the added external metals, alloy wheels and all that stuff. So that all things are included here. After this comes brain, which is engine. What does engines do here? Well, it does the main work. An engine along with accelerator, brake and clutch. What does all these things do? These all things tells a website that how it should work. Here the website is the car. So it guides the car how to work. So in the same way, HTML is the metallic body in the website and these designs like color are my CSS. And here the engine is my JavaScript, that is brain. So I hope you like this analogy and understood it. That how HTML, CSS and JavaScript contributes. But just understanding this much is not enough. There's a couple of things that you should know about these three travels before entering the developer's world, and we're gonna be discuss that in the next video. So stay tuned in this series with me and do access the playlist if you haven't till now. This is my humble request to you. I will add playlist in the description, so quickly grab that playlist. And if you know all this stuff and want some advanced course, then I have a full course on Svelte framework. So click on the right video if you want Svelte. And if you want Svelte playlist, then click on the playlist. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.